to the people over love for illegal immigration. What have we learned? The Democratic Party picks illegal immigrants over law and order. The Democratic Party picks illegal immigrants over cracking down on fraud. This is a very big deal. This is a defining moment, really, in American history. Are we going to allow 12 states to openly defy laws on the books that protect us all? And if they get away with it, there's no end to this.
Yeah, well, I'm going to say this. This is now becoming the biggest choice midterm election in our lifetime. You want open borders or closed borders? Do you want sanctuary cities and states, or do you want law and order? Do you want defund, dismantle, reimagine the police, no ban laws, or do you want, a police department free to do their job, so you can be safe and secure and pursue the happiness? Do you want lower taxes? Because Democrats just voted for the largest tax increase in history, while Republicans voted for the largest tax cut in history. Do you want lower energy prices or higher energy prices? This is simple, basic, fundamental choices that people have to make.
Yeah.
And I'm not sure, is the Senate going to defund ICE? As that fight now continues in the halls where you work every day?
This is really a good question. The Democrats are refusing to fund the Department of Homeland Security. 80% of the DHS budget has nothing to do with ICE or Border Patrol. 35% of the DHS budget, Department of Homeland Security, is FEMA. The Coast Guard. These people are nuts. They're refusing to fund the Department of Homeland Security because they hate Trump. They apparently doubling down on low immigration. It would hurt FEMA. This is insane.
I don't want to be super trucker, but I don't want to get on the other side,
No.
Yes.
Literally defund the Department of Homeland Security is have a break. There's one thing you need to add to this. We now have the Commander-in-Chief. I know
Look at that gap.
we're going to pay a heavy price if you defy him. The days of Obama, Biden, Trump,
Listen up, truckers. This is Mississippi Highway Patrol. In that left lane, stop. Left lane, stop. Get in the right lane only.